Hello, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to find the historical data for one of your machines. So first you'll have to go to the map view. Once this has loaded, you can either select a machine via the left hand side or by selecting it on the map. Then you can go to the drop down box here on the left hand side, and then you can either select on the pre-selected dates or you can select on a specific date. To select on a specific date, you have to select that date twice. Once this has loaded, you can see on the green line here where the tractor has been, and if you hover over the line, you can also see the times. This is useful to see when it left or started a job. On the left hand side here, you can also see utilization and fuel usage for that day. Thank you for watching, and please see our other videos for help or tips or tricks.